Hey there. Have you ever seen two dogs mating and wondered why the male dog stays inside the female dog after they redone? If you have, you've probably noticed that they stay like that for a while. Sometimes the male dog will stay in the female dog for 10 minutes or longer after they finish mating. You may even see them stay in that position until they need to go to the bathroom. But why do dogs stay like that after mating? Why don't they just separate like you would expect? If you've ever had a dog or spent any time around dogs, you've probably seen dogs mating at least once. Instead, the male dog remains inside the female dog for a few moments before backing out slowly. You may be wondering why they do and just separate after mating, or why the male dog doesn't immediately jump off the female dog. Well, it turns out there are several reasons why a male dog would stay inside a female dog after mating. And some of the reasons may surprise you. But first, we'd like to ask you to click that like button. If you love dogs and want to learn more about them, be sure to subscribe so you can be notified every time we release a new video. Let's get started. The most common reason why a male dog stays inside a female dog after mating is because they need to allow the semen to flow out of the female dog's body. The male dog's semen doesn't come out of the female dog right away after mating. It takes a few minutes for it to flow out. That's why you'll often see a male dog staying in a female dog for 10 minutes or more after mating. During this time, the male dog isn't actually inside the female dog. Instead, they're still connected by their genitals. The male dog's penis is still inside the female dog's vagina, and the two dogs are locked together until the semen is expelled from her body. Once the semen has finished coming out of the female dog, the male dog can finally back out, and the two dogs can go their separate ways. Another reason why a male dog might stay inside a female dog after mating is because he wants to protect her from other males. Male dogs are very protective of their females, and this is especially true when they're in heat. If a male dog sees another male approaching his female, he'll often try to stop him. This can involve growling, barking, or even fighting. A male dog may stay inside a female dog after mating to prevent other males from approaching her. By remaining close to the female dog, the male dog is able to keep an eye on her and make sure she is safe from other males. This is also a way for the male dog to show dominance. Staying close to the female dog after mating is a way for the male dog to show other males that he's the dominant dog and that they should stay away. Sometimes a male dog will stay inside a female dog after mating because he wants to ensure she is pregnant. Male dogs can't tell if a female dog is pregnant just by looking at her. They can only tell if she's pregnant by smelling her. A male dog will often stay close to a female dog after mating to get her scent on him. This way, he'll know for sure if she's pregnant. Male dogs are very intuitive, and they can usually tell if a female dog is pregnant just by smelling her. So, if a male dog stays close to a female dog after mating, it's likely because he wants to make sure she's pregnant. Another reason why a male dog will stay inside a female dog after mating is because he's trying to keep her calm. Female dogs can get very excited during and after mating. This can make them want to run around and be very active. However, this can also make them very anxious. A male dog will often stay close to a female dog after mating to help keep her calm. By licking her and being close to her, the male dog is able to soothe the female dog and help her relax. This is especially important if the female dog is a puppy or a senior dog. In these cases, the male dog needs to be extra gentle and careful. If you're wondering why your dog stays close to other dogs after mating, it could be because they're trying to form a bond with each other. Dogs are social creatures, and they often form strong bonds with the dogs they mate with. Staying close after mating is a way for two dogs to get to know each other better and to form a lasting friendship. This is especially common in dogs that are raised in groups or packs. When two dogs mate, they'll often stay close to each other afterwards so they can get to know each other better. This is a way for the dogs to form a bond and to build trust. Staying close after mating also allows the dogs to get used to each other's smell. This is important because dogs rely heavily on their sense of smell to communicate with each other. By getting used to each other's smell, the dogs are able to establish a familiarity that will make them more comfortable around each other in the future. Finally, a male dog will sometimes stay inside a female dog after mating because he simply doesn't want to leave her. Male dogs are just like people in the sense that they can develop feelings for other dogs. If a male dog really likes a female dog, he may not want to leave her after mating. Instead, he may want to stay close to her and spend as much time with her as possible. This is especially common in dogs that have been bred together before. If a male dog has successfully bred with a female dog in the past, he'll often want to stay close to her. This is because he knows that she is a good breeding partner, and he wants to ensure that she doesn't mate with any other dogs. As you can see, there are many reasons why a male dog might stay inside a female dog after mating. In most cases, it's perfectly normal and nothing to be concerned about. However, if you notice that your dog is staying in a female dog for longer than usual, or if he's showing signs of aggression, then it's important to seek professional help. With a little understanding and knowledge, you can ensure that your dog stays healthy and happy for years to come. We hope you enjoyed learning about why dogs stay in each other after mating. If you did, please let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like our content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Dogs can't sweat like humans, so they pant to cool off. But did you know that dogs sweat through their paws? When a dog sweats, you'll often see them walking around with wet paws. The sweat glands in a dog's paws allow them to sweat and cool off. So if you see a dog walking around with wet paws, they're probably just trying to cool off. A dog's nose is its primary organ for smelling. They use their noses to find food, identify other dogs and people, and even communicate. A dog's nose is so powerful that it can detect things that are thousands of times smaller than human noses. They can also smell emotions through a person's nose. For example, they can tell if someone is happy, sad, angry, or scared just by smelling them.